I'm Stuart with Trev Deeley Motorcycles, and today we're going to do a quick comparison on the latest Fat Boys. Over here we've got our stock Fat Boy, how they come out of the crate. Great motorcycle, people can customize and set it up to how they like. We do find that most of our customers will change the exhaust systems on them. Perhaps if you're starting off and riding, we'll put an engine guard on it. So we even do have first-time riders get on the Fat Boy, because what I love about it is how well balanced this bike is. Anytime I get on the Fat Boy, it actually feels super light. They're very maneuverable. It's a very easy bike to ride at slow speed maneuvering or at high speeds. You know, it really has that presence on the road. It feels like it's planted, and I really enjoy the Fat Boy. So do our customers, and I have to come down and try one out. This one here is the new Icons Edition Fat Boy. These are a limited edition. There's only 1,990 of them made. It's all dipped in chrome. It does have a throwback to the earlier Fat Boy with the orange rocker boxes, the orange gear cover, the traditional Fat Boy logo designed by Willie G. Now if we go back to 1990, we'll see that that star, the badge is actually the same today. So all of the Fat Boys since 1990 have had that solid wheel on them. They're a chunky looking motorcycle. What we have found over the years is they've gotten wider. They've gone to a 160 front tire and a 240 on the back. So the tires are thick and chunky, they're fat. And then we've got this evil Fat Boy here on the end. It's all blacked out, and that's something that the staff at Trev Deeley Motorcycles has designed, and we powder coated a lot of this bike, and it really shows what the Fat Boy can do in different ranges on how you can customize your bike yourself and get it to how you want it. So some of the accessories you've done, we've blacked out the wheels, we've blacked out the cowbells, the front forks, the nacelle, put on the fork caps, put on a black riser with a black handlebars, blacked out the mirrors. We've even gone with a flush mounted fuel cap. We've put the new Harley-Davidson footboards, blacked out shifter and linkage. We've even gone with the side mounted license plate, which a lot of our customers like. It really sleeks up the back end of the motorcycle and shows more of that rear tire. So everything's been blacked out on this bike, and it's a popular color. It's one of our most popular colors for sure. And I don't suppose this bike's gonna last long. Same thing with the Icons. They're a really popular bike. We're having a hard time getting enough of these. But if you really want to come down and build your own Fat Boy, come see us down at Trev Deeley Motorcycles. We do have them in stock. We'd love to send you out for a test ride. Come see the sales department and we'll make that happen for you. Bring your riding gear.